top up of our love into no koso die dosrum kwedi nti oko orphanages ni bia you know you demonstrate your love oko wards ni bia no adapt oko Konfanochi and I say oko 37 and oko Kolebu wodi wani techima Holy Family no abesin kosu humuso wafa enyiresi hospital I sabi bia obi ano ko chedo ko prison for no you know in this life bibia ya possible onyame na otutu anamon esiye tie enu anamon mo prison so no akosra omo na wa hye omo nkrai ketua bia ensa otifa officer baby deaf and blind office one oko announce wa support omo kama ama bibia ti me akokama but because so ka say Emmanuel Edu minua free also ma me free mu Emmanuel Edu mame ma shedding ana yako oba pain abna entwiwa 103 years oh wow 103 years na me ya doma 25th of February busumu yade de to so adununum ana yedne ekope ne kurabia yeto nsafro bia for the late oba pain abna entwiwa Emmanuel Edu o maame eno no nuanum ene abushafo nyina mamo yako sonko kra sa so na meka o se ede shedding sonko ma Era Evans Adom te o Peninsula Resort akosombo Peninsula Resort akosombo ahwero maame obatampa Mrs Comfort Oko wow 132 years oh wow Ifrian Kama multimedia I say Era Evans Adom te o Peninsula Resort akosombo emamo shedding ana yako. To the brighter side of life, Jerry Justice and Jerry Justice drive time on Adom and Anshruma host. Uncle Jerry, Bra Jerry, Ofa Jerry, Jerry Justice, happy birthday. And I him say Onyame atenanim de bia da obetenanim sonko ene and beyond. The ebe or drive time so the Onyame nenim enti happy birthday Jerry Justice. Enjoy your day. And before I say Daniel ni kwatai Titus Glover Kane Deputy Minister Transport Kane Mrashebejani Emma Tema East now sa President Kobe National Organizer for the NPP and they watna say ewa hanum say Era Titus Glover matching yo onyem onyajugba
uban kan say when over 15 years
bro
na then how
the unfortunate thing kan say me kotina Matina Latebi Okoshi, Matina Choko, Matina Bukum, Matina Chanta.
Achi Ubar na mene achi ni
Sandy, and Dominic.
Sandy Jana Nchen. Omu am no chiame, e was Shikasa.
Yeah.
And the flows. That is the Ghanaian. And don't be too comfortable in your own mother tongue.
Me matra ko fra. Say o mo boliga. If Frafra don't follow
and Grand won't mean saying
Frafra, me mommy food Ghana food distribution then. Me Frafra, Frafra man ebroso.
What do you think Gabi? And there but Chiomo.
Oh, no say
Chiomo because
Frafra.
Chiomo no monyo muze. O kakazalibi. O kakazawura yo.
About it's difficult to learn Ghana.
Am I a broken guy from?
Yes.
Because of my Frafra.
Because some you
really?
Yes, those days, you know, hardly say, Ubenya scientific and I say, I don't trust.
And someone bought an abroso.
So, it may be a Bokobia and Krakasana no Moka. And the language about automatically, no.
It depends on where you play or where you school.
Then, no, one quote
typical
area. Maybe I remember a scientific near
na Casa Nidia. I mean, you do some effort. You make some effort.
No, but I open so because baby, I mean, tell you, me say call baby, I can't cry. Radio good, let it be a question. Give her a person can cry, baby. It them say my sooner here ding na man brema. But say no, but we say one sooner ever boy you. You walk government anymore. Omunyi le chiachi oga, we have na ojina ojo. We papa de ka ojina ojo bi. We chele champo yan say be da di. One ya na ojo be dey so bibia da. Nti rich akwa okwa no mai.
Bibia nkoso.
Omun ba okwa.
Bibia nkoso. The eternity.
Oh, my draw sector minister attention.
Bibia enya sika, bibia enya sika. Bibia nkoso.
You say sika nyane bed, so him say sign the project is on hold.
Oh yes. Say Sanoshi Insurance company.
I make a kit to be work.
There's no disbursement. Obeche be land adwuma.
It's on hold.
Must some nema eko. Adwuma ye be Sanoshi eye bia Sanu Hado project bia no. Disbursement now Canada no koso untua. Na foforo no ye say fa meka obede tua.
I say we IMF nyame aduma match no.
Na match yo mampanyini
e bu ni hwe ho.
Won kra o de ma German finance minister. Say onkopa China for chew. Na fa kanche. Na president don't mean for the premier in China and kanche them.
O person ayonkofa e wo.
Maybe reserve. Also misiro kopa China for chew ma me na.
Information ni na say info chi ye bi de echi. Ye obi wo akọ China premier ni ma obebra ansa na even though ye mampan. Ani obi ho a o bibrim ha obefa phone keke ya
mo kat mo no o mo great pen we a finance minister what I say ken kasa asem che no but president o pese o kasa che o yonko president o ko finance minister bi so how who reduce so who to this no be I will say Ghana beyond aid ya tisika so comedy e fe do see a German finance minister en ko pa China premier che say on fire kanche President Kufado Adom.
Okay.
Maybe all your man could do no.
A man yet said the man that ditch move. A man yet said the because a pony baby I knew you.
Apart from a champion abreso, baby when you agree. A bambe na breso, obedient is sicker come up by about bamboo say brand so advance when you secretary. What to be paying some? Okay, so you pass on common so. Say what to be some paying some that. And that quite the ACC we are saying. Yanti be that by Gususi. You see the also soon anyway. Yet Ghana 70 years. To be almost a running economy, no 170 years.
We are financial person. Economy, I hope for say it my bounce back.
No, I national 70 years. What I say?
Be a fear now say.
A fear. Now what called a data in your way? Almost about 2027. Now 2027 I fear 70 years. And send a man for bond as soon as you better name say let me come at you. This is new faces. What I say, new administration. Savage NDC government. And John Dramani Mama to save this situation for us.
And this is new faces.
New faces.
New political party.
Yes.
And no John Dramani Mahama. And NDC party.
Investor confidence and Abba. The way I know my young money man. I'm for being a hotosoide. I will send Crawford the sicker with Joe Moore. By them, on too much to see because you can't be even in America, interest rate end of 6.5. What I say, but when I'm 30-something%, until what the to say, I want your baby and interest rate 30%. Also, the to say the cost of borrowing. Now, what I say, even the Bank of Ghana must have to a policy a rate. What I say, until it tells you say, who could you interest or my who do you be a businessman? Saying now the Bayer Jumana for so saying a bayer of so we run at a loss. Liquidity any system, si can't cast any new bounce on this come by Yamom. The bounce requires to come from more and crankable same for some of my Indian community because none of them engage a very big bank or Ghana. On by a Jumam Abator and I Scasam common. Issues of reason, they were so hurt, so worried. Now relatively our banks in the crime about Timakayo. I want to make yes, because corporate governance. But mean to make a bank. Yes. But these are the top-notch people who bank. Yes. And come on, money you know. So bank for one need this and come over there. And then that's na customers also there. Ninja na say senka abuy engage or more. What I say, a win-win situation. A situation ne. You say it take the decision. I'm so how say na the bank there any sika. Bank adwuma ne say otosika no watonsika enti sika no obi ne disika na ba beto ho enti take this decision the effect no will be on the customer or the sika ba the kwabe na betima afa so dem aye say arrangement we nyina na banks no so don propose dem aba but the me ya no so mo so mo ho ne say a potential government in waiting what tire buyers more for solution beyond to hold on my system there more prescribe my tata but my prescribe solution on my solution said there about me bini solutions upon solutions about also beti mobile regularize abobo ya and moto oh nya can see custom system nya abobo ya the custom solutions what I say more than 3 years in the started one aban e bobusian you catch aban so pull bricks busia bebre ba wo bono a time may come you can't service your debt because 2016 interest payment near 10 billion Ghana cedis now catch say and just sustainable into the now but 34 billion no e be dey sustainable and now catch say can do 575 billion Ghana cedis I get from 1.5 billion and count energy sector 10 billion and count they say baby can e kai Kenya and count what I say it is sikane so ojibusa an investment ben na wo dey here ojibusa for consumption there will not be any productivity for the repayment of the loan yeah ojibusa nyina na e ka solution be na pe biom jai akra no kwako odinisa kwoshi jam si jai no anya odinisa kwoshi jam wi a wo se oye no wanka
nti be bia be hu yan wi e dey na sisi ye
I say this new administration.
So the only solution is to change this administration. Before we change them, what can we do?
Utu ni pane for onfa. Yen hwe e-levy asamba ye. Ye catch am say yen so 0.5% and 1% into 6.9 billion can say by then. Ebeka. Advantage tinti ye ke. Ewi aso kwanya say half year at 333 million. Wanya even 500 million po. Solution e bi no utu ni pane for onfa. Owie na how ni nyina no na ba minu
so
covid sike ba ye aban tiche sike ama political artists uti tape bi e free yes and lugu ba ye say bi nya 200,000 150,000
and so mo primary say bi na mo mu keka mo no am keka
what I say
ye mo hall
ye wie no covid levy 1% nyam no mienu na yes ababetua but and now mo sa ho kira ba na because of covid and
e ka ho bi and Russia
e ka ho bi but ka wo manage covid sikani ya look auditor general report by she sikapa do almost dissipate state resources now this sikase wie now ka chem say ahonchera ba obo bra yi
e se into ababrabo no
abrabo na into abam there's committee in parliament here investigating covid expenditure and some auditor general there sabe boy actually into o minor ai wo mo no about when am money bra yi ene de kokodu bebi eba bedru no
okay
ntenye excuses kura ye nyuntum say wa money bra yi
okay
bebi an command reason da.
So the only alternative is John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, and then the NDC government.
When you have a new face, sir, what I say, there be credibility, investor confidence, but to more hold back. Say a common investor.
Because we have
yes. Now the cocoa board bond or issue. A flop ye. Because na me can the Bible crown ultimate to me who me say sabeto board o manto. But say new administrators and a war system no more. O nkrofo de we are omoyi omoniema ebrebi anom wo abemo no. Sanema we ye ho bi. Nti that kind of confidence no will be back. No more no about be ye adwuma. And before so be say no o mo busan boy no. And no be engage the community. We no be doing komo. E be na make president a wo person wo no yonko president kasa no. O de na finance minister so. Boni be na wo ni ntem. A wan kasa won timi for phone. And na won for plane enko China. And then enko transfer premier me hawni. Kwa be na be fa so de obabua me loans na won this best na nhihye say na me to akwan mu. The way to me dey chairman fa chairman. Na menya space to do other things and my economy no are balance.
Okay, all right.
These are some of the conversations I say. A man for engaging. Na bua my economy no ko. Tinti. Now your my deadline and private bondholders. Co bank na co sign form. Just say bond me sanka.
Na we free ho.
What I say?
Me fa de bia da me ko gina ba bia.
Me just say
we nam na wo.
I want na the problem no start here. O mind to the sika come obi na what the letter abroad say.
Enya de papa ya. Inti na me say free ho no. Enya de papa. De bia na emfa ehun su nhye mu. Ene ya odi ne ma na nyini. Already no. Ene na machine kiti ya hwe kwa be fa so be na brass ya. Na ye pagya mu sa.
Mama wa nwan ani
unya solution.
O wani na da dupa gu so. Ekuro na be wu.
Dem pa dupa bi ngo honorable.
Ora. Machia.
Yeah,
Machia wa hwefo nya no pay. Machia me brother so. Ala pay we bieja. Na se. E wona no kasa. Na obisa ne se solution be na wo de beba no. O se jisi asisa ban.
Jisi asisa ban.
Na ye de JDM aba. Me nwa pedi. Gonja dishe. Mechia no. O hweme. Na me nkan che ne se yenim no. Yenim wo ane yenim.
Unim JDM.
Say yenim no pa.
So interchange in the hospitals.
Na ose omo winam na ma yaka dobe. Iti kromwa. O ka kire.
JD na kai.
Ono nkasa. Ose ye de dinam no aka ne dobe. Why are we pretending as if we don't know the records of JD? And the situation here funny yourself. Yedi yemu ashemu. Achi say, Mamindi can be sister Sarah Naniki Tekpete and they would do 41.
Okay.
Yamin Kanu.
Sarah
Manafisha Naniki Tekpete the sister. Me channel no pay. Achi say ye engage. Na the discussion once I walk out and say, you trouble. Or person send you a call you. If any saying banking institution, banking industry, in Shomo, any makasa. The Ministry of Finance, Shomo no makasa. Securities and Exchange Commission, on your makasa. If any saying Pensions and Regulatory Commission, almost no makasa, including the trade unions, whether we like it or not. In Shemundi, we hear papa. Said ya wudu abobo na ehwe kwan be faso. In the beginning of this domestic debt exchange program no na ya catch and say 2023 kanga obi ani bonds be obanya 0% ananwa ye fio de ko 2% ye ka say abedu 5%. This is decisional finance for no any banking for no ni insurance for no nyina ajetum pensioner for sika ye form ye fa ni say they are not going to suffer because they have taken a decision. Said they are
to your pension fund, but pensioners, also Multi Pension Association, they are also hitting back.
They said you can't be on
the pension fund. Pensioners and like they will be affected
because say you too many banks and insurance for anya ntiasia. I didn't know if any say pension and individual. Then they will get there. Let us, because of political expediency, there was a position of Matano Mushimuba, and the Bibia also Mutugum, now Musha Komvaswa, Ghana for no, Behu NPP as baby bonning, but the Akosono, whatever it is, media the American say. Anya bani say no, and a moment a year to twa, ye the best one. What I say? Because for the next 2 years, this situation, one penny ye. I be you different. And the actually, Mamma, who are the to say, I say, near Ecoso Yano, I said, dear, and down a bounce or the Numa was so a piano, or go so assume, or go so a yo. What I say, a minute do ya, Yabeka say, I beg you my for, and the parliament is John Gar, whom I cheat the obey, or my champion. Speak about the government form, said in Pianaca. But at least every month, Musaka, Waketua, I would be Sheffield, Education Musia, Education Constituency.
But times
I know, I admit.
Times are tough.
I admit. I'm not a saint. I'm never a saint. Me I mean to me and say, Debbie. Sabi me tough wella. Eke coming. Eko bibiara. And to me try to feed you so and can say bibia Rosie bibia come. Debbie. No company for no crown or you too. Some times are hard. And then I'm be a old tutor ever boy. I'm a year would be free. And no, and a dana kumaso. I just see Argentina, Mampini Kufado, or Dinka, Edima German finance minister. You've been in government before. Never echoes who are Bemuno, and you be allowed to have say. Upon Tianambwa. All cases are Odinakaza with him. So engaging the premier, the president of China, you don't know because you are not privy to it. And he said, but you when they are too. That's a finance minister of German Abesrano. That's a little bonkomwa. No, catching is a moonwami. Na me Srano. Na on your baby mamia. I don't see anything wrong about this at all. But baby Awujinano, because who would your Mampenia Kufado and the Montua went to and now and Yama all year alongside on the quieter and Zalbeto Abondino. You don't even know. And the Basrachi say already a whole true. Now onto the Boise. Whatever it is. In the current situation that we find ourselves, and Melbedua, a Bekofom, and one is with the right modalities, and this is Ghana we're talking about. So, also, Mamboa, and what about the Treso? And then, if you know, because if she, Nasa be which you made Dako, mean to Minko, and the wood year, Umpabon said, the Yamasi couldn't call us to your advantage. That is going to fail. I have full prayer and confidence. Say, enyama ebeye, enyama ebesisa. Say the year,
okay, so the change that we need is the NDC to come to power.
NDC is not an alternative. Seriously, it's not. It's not an alternative. Are they? They are not. They are not an alternative. Na. Yeni kromwana. Nano for 4 years. Ajiwa, I mean, no parliament. Went to parliament in 2013. A suma ye demo kromwa. Would do multimedia. Would generate say any. Yet this today ye kase krano. Not the denu kwano waboting. 4 years. 4 solid years. Look at the cost of running these generators. And mujuma say no kromwa. Barbers,
but they put in that, a bit of you see, I don't know why the NPP continuously to say but for
almost it is important.
They would have witnessed their own sweat, say, age-long problem in Ghana.
Napo was slogan be oya, say doom CSC.
Yeah.
Yeah,
doom CSC.
Na sabre no, me ti say opemso okra e kasa wo. Say kumase emu nyama sese basa. All those pylons nkuma eye free akosobo e be chingo Ghana nyina. The lines that are transmitting the power. Ahodi na eba ho no, ahodi ni so, but the wire na so mo edi kodi nyina. That. So they cannot absorb the load. And we see, you will see some of these technicians of Greco. It costs money. Yes, and ye na sebi, ye di jawa, ye di swab. We are sankofa gas pipeline. Sika ye 3 hours adi no mudi jay no, we have to pay. When we ska ye di yo. When we ska any ye di ye. And he said, Abani say, na si ye hwe ye tutu anamo ye be fa so a ye di be sesi na mu hu sa na no nse mu tu anyampia egum sa na say ya. That is your politics.
Okay, so you ever call.
So for me, I have full confidence in Adodankwa Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
So when bia was so fa so a ye di anubi because we are not in a position to, but so long as we are communicators of government anamo bia ye di be boa ye di timamfo be kasa onu be tie sa ya botre e hihyepa. Because for now, we need a space. Would the council would be able to juma? I was here juma. Many of say, Chira, Sunyani Kwai, Chira, that road is on my heart.
Chira,
I want that road to be fixed in other places. Because Mahu, I am for anything move for, Nancy, we can name with ye. Krobi, because I said, that's never, and wash it. And the minimum say, me, I'm a contact.
No catch that. Yeah, tena hano ma.
Enti. Onfo mo near the. When you are, yes, Kasam. Minu Adom Krum. From Anyamenu of Ivory. Doma na budo. I know that road. Every shorter.
Straight to Doma.
A shorter.
A double crew.
Doma shorter. Na me nimiko kambe na meko fa. Say you also na me room.
Me fa Doma because it's shorter. It's
shorter.
And I also.
Okay, so Road Minister, we are about to attention. So Chira and a double crew.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, but I don't show you to Angabaka quickly.
Oh, me the best.
Okay, but so ye page muno. E kwa batisi here. Parliament ba one leading minorities is saying.
Oh, so party I communicated that
and who was 70-50 now of the
who's a Ghana and Kasa belong to non-aligned movement. What I say?
All is time and Oko a Bia Easter on the Mashibijin on the ticket of the NDC and era. For Titus Glover as well. The National Petroleum Authority has revealed that the initial 40,000 tons of diesel that arrived in January under the gold for oil policy were valued at $40 million. The clarification by the NPA comes after several calls by the industry experts, including the Institute of Energy Securities, for the government to provide details on how much it spent on the initial consignment. In a statement, the NPA added that it will put measures in place to ensure that OMCs that left products supplied under the program pass the price on to consumers accordingly. And there's a quotation here. In this respect, BIDECs and OMCs who lift and supply G40 products will sell at the ex-refinery and ex-pump prices that will be determined by the NPP. If there must be a commonly of products supplied under G40 and other sources, the ex-refinery and ex-pump prices will be completed using a weighted average. So gold for oil, the conversation is back and forth. What's going on?
Oman, Mr. Misha, some man share and Crawford. It's my main for Kunyasuna, Minchia, BIS Funyana, and Ghana Funyana, and Memorial Fishiapa.
Can you? Shabba would you then?
Oh, not a slim for
and that time can not country go.
Best a chair, individual, you didn't anything or problem.
Yeah, way.
But that's the reality.
Yeah.
You have to talk to them in your language. Omo amoya ho no me santiphone sim for abeto ye kam. Iti krom man ankasa na de hye no.
Nigeria mo me bia official pa.
Asa
na yala.
Ot member ye che nyame kwesire bia na boye bia ye bia wa yi wa fo amaye. Me fi Friday na ba ye am say ye core branches any man for e kasa e hwese de ni Mexico. Very positive. It's just a Ghana for any did cost or manage. I know say come 2024 they will take good decision about boy among my canco at the economy. I'm say akabe half a besa kwakoya to us next weekend. Or my team say a month for a general minor. A month for was sometimes who share meetings, not kind of suggestions are a month for the body input me say and this is a canon and I'm for interested in political discourse. A month for any politics are cheaper, but when you know. You first that my era Lawrence, any day I can miss your mama a baby to us. Because come constituency here, Kurabi was a Kania was to be a no NDC in the course. NPP and connected just one community.
Bia.
Yes, Bia is to a national grid. Kurabi Kukreno, a Kania was a MPP in the coy. You have this contract a man in a mobile or my palm contractor. What did Lamont road electrification project and a Maniko, the Unions were taking a contract. Not one community, then people they can go. By about 80% coverage. Until the Panisha TV, or T News, until their course in Ano, we feel to be a chickacra, when their course. Or my now be so alternative, then I did. But I said, about with 5 minutes about 125. You can say a modos on the door. A Monteso, on downsizing the size of government. A Kahona overhead expenditure is so bigger. Your general end. The reshuffle my kaka first was NDC for na say on your reshuffle omomune adwumaye de bi e say banana come so mo deba issue si ba parliament no omo say nya na nkrofo ye form nam kugu apaso omo pa ye lean government e pass you make a lot of savings and alternative no be ya kaka so nti it is a problem no ko ba wi ya no say na alternative e wo. These are some of the expenditure.
More buying a bar. Minister said,
I will not be the president.
50.
What I say, Bankomodi Ekoson, any proposals I hear Mama Diabana. Clearly, a bad thing said, yet I can 120 once I said Dawson. Now, so back of 120 and I say, I be at 125. What I say, the who can be a bit feeding to manifesto, be feeding to policies. Today, Kenya no measures are NDC bar, yet the better to come above one more man either in Kakoso. It's about to reduce the size of government or no co-op more savings to the state and an office of the president allocation a cohono. Not so Oman Penini, Cassa or Tisua. Nina savings in Libya. Oman young child a year good for oil issues are Abbey. Women in an equire about with fast in Nema, Emma Timamufono. Any the buy-in of what government want to do. Because I say no mechanical sister station back almost started some of the by besides also the gold quite consistent oil in the form of butter. The nipa now or not only oil no. Why can't also pay good in the first place? Or can't also pay good? Or not the oil business no oil. One also will good.
To the Kojino.
What the Kojina 1 year over anything. Oh, my vice president, ya launch program no
eni o makasa
ebe first consignment 40,000 tons buy no omo catch so the program has been successful. Nobody told us omo the sika na koto oil no,
but it eventually is happening.
Omo kwadu ho no omo say yempe gold bia nti mo koto mo gold na mfa metua oil nika. The question is say who kono anticipated gold price na gold na egu adaka ma ode koye no. I don't say a ton gold we na e betime tua sa $40 million no. Pressure better so ukọ nipa foforo koton gold. O ton gold ni say because that time no oil no pressure was meboa. Into who ton at a reduced price and I say the original price na o ton. San komo nyina obi ani eni. Say first deputy governor and no appear before public accounts committee. And na omo bisa no this question nka minute nka ye me no obi anim de course so. Nka ye nim say butter. San krofu kura be ka kire say Sano hydro project na butter. Number be refining your mineral resources na almost ma sika na da ba ye akwan bridges ye catch them say agreement no mu no almost 30 says repayment time no edru na saban enye sika entua the minister of finance must find money for the repayment and this can never be a bat almost a bat and then me no ka say a bat na a bat apem this year ya repayment na start e see etua refine be na yesi okuru say pressure ni bi no e kan na sa project ni o ma stop all disbursement about 656 million di kan be no on fa bi mabio because one kasa no
you kan no mboabo
ahun ye onya credible also be see refine no way untimi see ye the by the day no you put additional burden on your finances ye kan o menti na se see e o ka kire say e too less Bank of Ghana say o mo de domini money say PMMC precious minerals ombeto gold no omoto gold no wi anom do madane da ma ban da ban ko be fa so obeto yin bia de nya ban na adwuma o ma be na chichi ni say o ma be because gold deposit no the sole business of Bank of Ghana on behalf of the state. Now catch a Bank of Ghana say on koto gold fama what the koto e name o ye na koto no de Bank of Ghana nim ne bo oni pa kwa koto o ye na fi no ho onim arrangement bia na so obi ekofa omani sika obede hu oman any recipe for disaster
more than so baby menti me wase ne omamu nda obi ano
yes
they be the problem the confusion
people will take advantage say why na or you in charge of this because a vice president and or champion this program or na na ba bonte be kan here enra MP ka je some of the guidelines about OMCs na omani so no they will punish them. Some LFT and I say I'm take delivery some more prices and then ever for 40,000 tons in a burning impact ben and yet diesel and petrol also. So what is the point?
The gold for oil.
What is the point? The bottom line is the cost of fuel is cheaper. 40,000 about almost so. Why in the leading negotiation no? Gold saying I'm the call Mutoni saying because nipa na koto oil if no or reject to go.
But these details that we should know. Ni kwase we share back and forth be more.
Yeah, this is the problem. Yes, yeah, the to me am
call back and forth.
Say o major pade that show say. This say you force nipa na be answer what kind of question.
It can't be so. That's why I make us say we no enye nkoma so man credit card na otwe na da ko. Ya gold you could do ono eboye so. Etia akwadwa so akoton gold. Yenya say emududu say na edito we. But what watching you be no Branian fan crata and fan crata. When they be I go back and forth on some of these matters.
It 1%. I remember Pan ko file question no e wo fraud
for us.
And so be treat mu.
Nobody be honest. I don't know whether me kwa ba mu da jimi nim why no be say no e mu jimi na ho ma obi go if you want to be transparent Ghana Japade no abefa. But I need papa say ye dey compare fan wo e be my ebo a ye ton wo man ni mu no etimi aba form kura Ghana ni bia ni beji ye ko adwama so ye ko hu se ye nhihye no nipa no so mo ntimi nyi ye gudie no nti ya nkasa ye de timpo papa ko ba bi ye beji agudie ni koton ye ton ye nya sika ati sei emu bi ana de je 40 tons na ye de abegu ho no na de ka ye ni ye de come Bank of Ghana enkrata bi ye de adas because I don't want a situation where COVID in Runo health minister Ebeka said it's the time that we were in He took a decision out of the 17, they call 19. So out of the 11, they call $19. That one, so that is where I have a problem with managing Ghana. There's no transparency most of the time.
And also the breeding corruption.
Yeah, but that's what
because I mind him just say before so mu free Ghana hapo akwaje oil no. Nti no one can say mama nyi to some.
No, come say now what was the basis for taking our goals to that place?
Se nipa no ne ni koma. Onyi tuma ye den na onya adwene say me the go the command oil. Negotiation be now here, communication be now here.
No, but you create room for suspicion.
It's a buy no enye na just be kan crash team mufo no. Abandon respect team mufo no. Officer or political power. And Article 57 because executive power into no or my do be
but no crazy me no this no crazy say no government, especially this government, should take unnecessary advantage
over
yes and abuse
system no
and bibi bomb me ho buy we are it's at the expense of the bigger populace and that one is a recipe for bibia honestly speaking but also can we know yes and now ha and why Angel Gabriel the okay bia nam ni kom pe ya di to me be ma be we na for the phone here color be was a green Ghana phone you know say a black it multi opposition no you need to criticize and suggest. Yes. Because some say Chrome amutimbi. It is a more hand over mama. We will not agree to your excuse. Oma will be bia but don't be cry metu.
We will not allow those things to fester.
Exactly.
We will not allow it to fester because my yenyi ni na yes say abrabo.
Exactly.
Mistakes are obi yes dua ana say dia wu no. Into kuma kwatena sintonko.
Dabi.
The more ya trokan dia kudu no. There's no need say NDC betna konya some ka repeat. And
okay.
I want to
so ni kwata Titus Glover. Honestly, abane de bia than policies or they bano. So nice, you know, on paper very nice, but implementation, you know, now mama na be yes, I say BB she dodgy BB gold for oil. It's fantastic.
Cobra, that's it. Menjin they say buying deliberately want to deceive the people of this country. Impression achi epese or refer to Article 57. So because of
executive 42 journalists and your papa. Say they only 22 journalists.
Epese ubungana phone him tiano. I said no yakufado that is not his style. He would never do that. Yenina ye budget so. Say good for oil, good for oil. Idea na ebeboa. And it's going to serve for two purposes. Ya jitum say do baby no, not the pressure on forex no. Na no shit. Yam funny say mudemu nyina. The vote of the Bank of Ghana. Filled with dollars. Na say the BDCs, bulk distribution companies. Almost averagely you need about $450 million every month. Yediko crack finishing. Finished products pharmaceuticals in bio good for bio and then yama different beer that relies on the Bank of Ghana for its scale year. And the idea the say, look, why don't you try this novelty and see say a bit with the abuana and clearly because oil now will cotton is any one yet on 100 Ghana cedis and $100 per metric tons. Now when you gold equivalent to that price. Now because only the opening dollar sika hard cash, but obi wo no super is a dollar no, and the gold no back up the upper dollar no, upper gold no. Now what talk with the hard currency dollar. No the triaka at the amano. So I suspect say that was exactly that what happened. Bank of Ghana ADC is in PMMC, Precious Minerals Marketing Company. No more at all the free gold manufacturers no. What I say, an average you need about 160,000 metric tons. That could give us that quantum of fuel now at the Ebano. And the yes, Kana yedi but obi wo among Dubai or no. I don't know where they imported it from. Or no, but you gold no. But he deals in the gold. And no price na yedi ton no na oto no edi atua cash no edi amai. But yes, Bank of Ghana dollar and the yedi kotuaka. That is the way discussion econo. That is my understanding. But I agree with you, say, I was say a lot of discussion about the economy. Say, and I agree because BOST is a triangular thing. Bank of Ghana, PMMC, and BOST. Bank of Ghana decided to buy PMMC. No omato, no muya, no muzo. Bank of Ghana exported the akoma, the oppressor to gold no. Oji ye dollar no need the tracker. Ye the fuel no bar the BOST bedding a store because they are bulk oil storage and transport. So they will be doing the distribution to the OMCs. What does here? And I can be say I didn't buy and my price no conform one. 41,000 metric tons they buy no. It is just not much because averagely we need about 350 metric tons for a month. I bet me their supply. I bet do baby but at least a be work right say the any work. Now what you say Saberenza na eba form kakra before Christmas no on say the pump no price no etiti from eba so kakra ye by January I think second week and yes a page the kakra I don't know how much the dollar is it 40 or 50 I'm not so sure about it but clearly no it has brought some respite. Okay, so
Mamenda questions here he's filled us in with the impact so the fuel station Duke's Petroleum it's from 1525 to 1442. When you go to Amda Way Company Limited, and that's 1529 to 15. When you go to GB Petroleum,
this is current price.
Current. So
before the Adiba,
so before it was the 1525 and I call 1442.
1442.
Yeah. So clearly. There's
a slight impact
there's an impact.
Do you understand?
There are a lot of feelings.
No, but just a quick one. And not on to me you saw not say yastic. Because that time not dollar near 15. And the dollar near around 13.
They say, "Oh no, my mom says, "I'm kusi koda and koda."
No,
yeah,
assessment. You can't do it in part. Do it in whole. What I say.
He said, "Open brainer at the end buy and
affected price at the pump."
Yes, it will dollar rate as of that time.
That time 15 and 13. Into Bema other
automatically
price adjustment because of competition. Some will just reduce it a bit just to get more customers. What I say, I know you are not say 40,000 is not much. I look at Sandada. And no number price needed.
Hey, and the TN say 41,000 metric tons there by the at least that's brought some respite. So price you grab from a peswa, Ubugumwa, a mouse and mileage.
Yeah.
Because if you did a educo, Yatoa, and wash it. But say 41,000 a regular, air sustainable. Na Yatias here. Maybe the next phase, you been made than 41,000.
But transparency is key. A champ of submissions and say, you don't do things shrouded in some adibia say, you who the air could be a say, open up. Open up. Dear meeting say, I'm not sure anybody want to hide anything for anybody. The only place that you better discuss it with thoroughly is the people's representative, that is Parliament. That's the Finance and Energy Joint Committee, where Bank of Ghana, PMMC and BOST will clearly go there and share this vision, this idea. Because Omomu Kasa and Etene Eco Babia. Because they are not privy. And Intina Omu Kasa. So you understand? So for me, but for the deputy governor, maybe they wouldn't have known that.
Do you understand? So for me, they need to do more of the talking. They let us know what has gone into it. I'm will be with chair one suspicion no ever come from the man. The opening he want to be convinced. I have no problem there.
Okay.
The opening no or per se onyan say transaction no and for so ben and a and say when you to make you this achievement.
Okay, so my now I say what I just give your brain JDBC account
as a person nana yenchi a person mechanic of Kwaping Mampo.
Mama na biela na.
Bichano. And now we can hear.
But my I'm say the Kenya na no. And that the okra na fiboto no maki.
Say
Alan or koto.
Na ungaru na sem. ala se
na na to ko
ala se ba fa wo
ko western of yours so baba go so na sem tete nyina say kwan a NPP aban first obu o man ama mo campaign ye den aye den
o kan we
o kan yo so
go so
ni mo na me ma ye na ma
no chese
what am I
achi
no na mo tire yo
achi
so pepper
se na say dia obeyi pepper bi e wa
o see amomo tro kan you know I'm campaign 2024 aye dia mo nyam na make
I see
there's admission say NPP aban one kasa bebom kasa opposition na no mo gom ho anim ase gidi agana fo nyam mo na confuse bi on ba ye adepa bi edabo man no o ma bibia atro kan it going to 2024 kwa sembe na makwakoka dey na bo mi ba beka dey na line ba beka
okay
it good for oil ni de o man mo kasa bi mo ka ho asem na de wo mu bia because anya public accounts committee na ka amoko epo na mo 40,000 ne buy no abusa for ye de senke gold ekwaje oil ye duro no seni nkaka sebe na wo hu bi
okay so mama na wase
wa conclude me go
aye
we so conclude what
no gold for natwi be oil natwi gold for oil no e so mba be kire mu
oh yes
no fertilizer na maka we kosi say aban wa
fa mo de kobe sika fa so mpa de
omo fa kobe sika fa oh no onim sika se mo tutuye say ye report ba onim se query obi a yi ano yi no ye be aka se de ekoyi eye ana se de ana two essence here solve problems in this country politically yenya solution that if you go back into the work of the Auditor General we have built upon this attitude from years we have not effectively punished or put in measures
no UNICEF ya tracy kama UNICEF I draw no man supply draw ni nyina what I say dey na mo na ban no to afon
e wana wa ho dey dem agye di too much
recommendation am say yam kwa sika kai
from 1 to 6
gobra enukre se sika yen tutu ye no e ma ye campaign e mo ye din but we have a longer period of 2 years na me gidi ka kire me say baby achi ejina woni mpa bo de say ense enye
enko to dichi mu say gurai
enye embasa amfama
na chere de woni tu are hwe ta to je
na me be o mamba pa da bo sampa you
na wo mpa bo ni say kunu mbo a
ebo ase nyina
but I have still confidence in Anando's company
okay
nyama mu abesisan ade amaye
all right
I mean can dey see so say good for you no e ade a ebetwa so na say e ade ebetwa so a and the two major purposes of that transaction is a pressure on the forex industry and the price at the pump so and here was the people's representative.
Okay, thank you for watching.
The finance and energy committees jointly. You can give them a full brief.
We have another day. Bye bye.